Introducing the 2026 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive SuperCrew, a powerhouse of capability and refined design. This model features a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with an electronic 10-speed automatic transmission, all sitting on a commanding 157-inch wheelbase. Finished in a clean Oxford white, this truck is built to handle everything from the worksite to the weekend. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you are navigating the rugged Sumas Mountain backroads or cruising through town, this F-150 is designed to stand out. It comes equipped with the XLT Black Appearance Package, which adds 18-inch gloss black wheels and a sophisticated aesthetic to the exterior. With the FX4 off-road package, you also get essential skid plates, ensuring your vehicle is protected when the pavement ends and the adventure begins.
Inside, the cabin offers a tech-forward environment with a 12-inch center display and a 12-inch cluster display for all your vital information. The interior features black sport cloth front heated seats and dual-zone electronic air conditioning for personalized comfort. Standard features include power door locks and windows, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and a leather-wrapped manual tilting and telescoping steering column to ensure the perfect driving position for every journey. This truck is a utility leader, featuring a tow and haul package that includes an integrated trailer brake controller and power-folding telescoping towing mirrors. The bed utility package adds a functional tailgate step, making it easy to access the cargo bed. Safety is a top priority, with the blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping system, and adaptive cruise control, providing peace of mind as you travel across the Fraser Valley.
A common question we receive is about the fuel efficiency of the 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine. Based on the window sticker data, this vehicle has a combined fuel consumption rating of 12.3 liters per 100 kilometers. This impressive efficiency, combined with a 7,200-pound gross vehicle weight rating, makes it a versatile choice for drivers who need both power and practicality for their daily commute. Experience the unmatched versatility of the 2026 F-150 for yourself. From its 360-degree camera to the advanced Sync 4 system with AppLink, this truck is ready for the future. Visit our team to explore the full manufacturer-suggested retail price breakdown and see how this Ford fits your lifestyle. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.